WhatsApp privacy policy violates rules reached an implementation, says Center to High Court. While WhatsApp has clarified, say no change for messaging with friend family. Less than a week before the proposed rollout of a Delhi government scheme to deliver rations to people's homes, the center has raised a red flag, saying the word Mukhyamantri cannot be used in the name of program to distribute food grains under the National Food Security Act. Kerala Police Friday registered a case against officials of the Enforcement Directorate officers in gold case. Within just 3 months of BJP-ruled MP clearing an anti-conversion ordinance modelled on a legislation in Uttar Pradesh to check what it called love jihad, state police have registered 21 cases against 47 people, with 25 arrests recorded so far. A deadly hospital pathogen, the Candida auris, has for the first time been identified in the environment of the coast of South Andaman district in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Wastage of vaccines due to lack of trained personnel and planning. US Defense Secretary Austin will meet Defense Minister Rajnath and Prime Minister Modi today to defend ties. After European Union, United Kingdom, nearly dozen countries resume use of AstraZeneca vaccine jabs. Top US and Chinese officials were set to meet again on Friday after offering sharply different views of each other and the world in their first face-to-face talks since President Joe Biden took office. Afghanistan government and the Taliban agreed on Friday to try to accelerate peace talks at a meeting in Moscow that followed an international conference. US President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris, the first Asian American in the role, will meet with Asian American leaders in Atlanta on Friday afternoon after shooting rampage at Asian massage parlor left 8 people died this week. Pakistan has connected its first Chinese-assisted 1100 megawatt nuclear power plant in Karachi to the national grid that will help improve the country's economy by providing cost-effective and reliable electricity. Myanmar security forces kill 9 as Indonesia invokes call for end to violence. North Korea cut ties with Malaysia over US extradition, and Malaysia said on Friday it will order all North Korean diplomats to leave the country within 48 hours.
अच्छा सुनो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, उसके बाद घंटी बजा देना ताकि अगली वीडियो आपसे मिस ना हो पाए। थैंक यू।